Hello everyone and welcome back to DeCoders. I am TypeHrishi and in this video I will show you how to use the Notifier in Kodular. If you want to learn how to use Kodular, then make sure to check my video of Kodular Basics using the app button or the link given in the description below. So let's get started. We will create a new project. I will name it as Notifier underscore tutorial. I will keep it dark theme and click on finish. Okay, now the project is loaded. First we have to drag the notifier from this section, from the palette to the main viewer. So we will drag it from here to here, and then we need an input from the user. It can be a button or a click on the image or the change in the text box, but I will use a simple button here. So I will keep the font bold, keep the size 20, and typeface I will keep it serif, and then shape rounded. Text I will type click me. Done. Now I will keep the width fill parent, and now let's set up the properties of the notifier 1. So click here, and then here this is the background color, notifier length, text font. I will keep the text font monospace. If you want to change the background color, then you can change it from here. If you want to change the text and title color, you can change it from here. Title font I will keep it monospace. I have kept both monospace, and then we need to code. So go to the block section, and here first we need the input from the user. So when button would click, drag this, and then we will show the notification from the notifier 1. So open up the notifier 1, and here scroll down, then scroll down, and you can see that there is this choose dialog, and here drag this from here. Now let's go in the text, and here message, thanks for clicking me, and I will keep the title empty this time. Button 1 text nothing, button 2 text nothing, and cancelable true so that we can cancel it. Now let's go back to the phone, and now let's reload it. So click on test, and then click on refresh companion screen. Then the screen in the companion will be reloaded. I will scan the QR code again as I am facing some issue in reloading it. So I will go to the phone screen again and stop the screen recording from here. Let's scan the QR code. Click on test, connect to companion, and let's scan it. Let's wait for the app to load. Okay, now the app is loaded. Let's click on click me, and you can see that there is a clear message, thanks for clicking me, and then you can just cancel it by clicking here. I will show you again. So so you can see that I typed a message in the choose dialog box and didn't type the title. So what is a message and a title? So the title is below the message, because in the notification there are many things like notification is from a particular application. So for that the notification for the message says, so for that the message says the name of the application, and the title states the main thing which the application notifications wants to tell. So now what I will do, just to show you, I will remove it from the message section and transfer it to the title section. Let's go to the PC again. We are back at the PC. Let's switch this and see how it looks. Now I will drag it here, drag the title, drag the message empty, and give the title thanks for clicking me. Now let's click on refresh companion screen. Now the screen is refreshing my phone. Let me record the screen in my phone and stop it from the PC. Now I will click on click me, and let's see if it works or not. Yes, you can see that the message which were first seen, it was in light text and above, like it was at the edge of the notification. But as I've kept a title, it's bold in size, it's bold and it's big in size, and it's just below the upper edge of the notification, and I can cancel it like this. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to receive our instant updates. Also, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks for watching.